Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the J and K's bull bars for the Teric. So as you can see, these are basically bull bars that sort of wrap around your Teric and protect it from sort of bumps and scrapes. Now obviously if something sort of thin and pointy sort of gets to it, it will scratch the screen. But for sort of whilst everyday sort of wearing, if you sort of graze against a wall or something, it's not going to scratch that screen, so it's going to protect it from a lot of sort of bumps and scrapes. Now this is made out of blackened stainless steel and it's very strong and tough. It does, as you can see, it does go over the screen in certain sections, so it's going to cover it up a little bit, but with a little twist of the wrist you'll be able to sort of read what's underneath it. It's a very smart little accessory, and it kind of fits and clips over. It's quite a strong metal, so it's not going to come off anytime soon. If I just try and get this off properly so you can see it. So that is the bull bar, so it kind of wraps over the Teric and sort of protects it from sort of bumps and scrapes. And because it's got this kind of black finish, it really sort of blends into the watch, so it looks really nice and smart whilst it's sort of protecting it. So a nice little accessory. This is the J's and K's bull bars for the Teric. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.